Hello guys, so how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. So today we will study or we will start a new chapter which is 6. Okay, so guys, this chapter is the first chapter of class 11 and it is also a very important chapter. We will start this chapter with first we will clear some basic concepts of on sets. Then we will practice some question. Okay, then we will practice some questions. The first thing we have to do is we have to understand the concepts very clearly. Okay, then we can solve questions. Okay, so you have to understand everything to solve questions in sets. Okay, so let's start it. So suppose what are the prime numbers? What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers. Okay, what are the prime numbers? Anyone? What are the prime numbers? No. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so here now you guys have already seen in your schools or in your in your NCERT books or any textbooks, like this thing, A U B. Okay, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Anyone tell me what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is A union B. Okay, A union B, like this. Like this. Suppose a circle. This is A. This is B. Okay. Now we will do some question on this. Okay. Then you will understand this concept very easily. Okay. We will directly go to the question. Okay. Suppose A is what? 10. A is what? 10. B is 8. Okay, suppose suppose I am taking this circle. Okay, suppose take this circle. No. Yeah. Suppose this is a circle, okay, and A is equal to 10 and B is equal to suppose 8. Okay, B is equal to suppose 8. Now we have to find A union B. A union B means what? A two circle is overlapping. Okay, a two circle is slightly overlapping. This we can denote with A union B. Okay, so this is a basic function of set. Okay, suppose here A is 10 and B is what? 8. Okay, A is 10 and B is 8. Okay, suppose if we want to solve this, suppose A union B. Okay, then we have to do what? We have to do A union B is equal to A plus B. This is a simple formula. I will explain it. Everything. Okay, don't worry about that. I will explain everything. Okay, each and everything I will explain. And A intersection B. Okay. So this whole thing we can say is A union B. Okay, this whole thing we can say this is A union B. Suppose this is, we know this is A, this is B, and this part is the intersecting part of these two circle A and B. Okay, that means suppose A likes Katrina. I think you all know who is Katrina. Okay, and suppose B likes Nora Fatehi. Okay, Nora. B likes Nora Fatehi. Okay, like Nora. Okay. A likes Katrina and B likes Nora. Okay. So this intersecting part is telling that suppose this intersecting part we take as x. Okay. Suppose this intersecting part we take as x. X likes both Katrina and both Katrina and Nora. X likes both Katrina and Nora. Okay, both Katrina and Nora. So suppose X likes both Katrina and Nora. X likes both what? Katrina and Nora. Okay. Now we denote this X as A. Okay. So this is the sign of union. Okay. And this sign denotes intersection. This sign denotes intersection and this sign denotes union. Okay. Now suppose A union B is equal to A. Okay, A is what? 10. Okay, A is what? A is what? 10. 1 second. Guys, 1 second. You know, I'm also a learner. Okay. Suppose this is A, and A is equal to what? 10. Okay, we know all that A is equal to what? 10. A is equal to what? 10, and B is equal to 8. Okay, B is equal to 8. Okay, suppose this is 7. This is 7, and suppose this intersecting part is 3. Okay, and B, we are dividing this 10. We are dividing this 10 into this 7 plus 3. And suppose B is 8. Now we will divide B as 5. B as 5 and 3. Okay. Now suppose we do like, okay guys, note it down this part, then we will move to the solving part. Okay, note it down this part. Okay, then we will go to solve. Okay, pause the video and note it down. Okay, pause the video and note it down. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go to the solving part. Let's go to the solving part. Okay, so suppose A union B is equal to A plus B into A minus A intersection B. Okay, here A union B we have to find. Suppose A is equal to what? 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. A is equal to 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 minus 3. Okay. A 3. Okay. 18 minus 3 is equal to what? How much? 15. Okay. Suppose A is equal to what? After dividing, it becomes 7 plus 3 and it becomes B is equal to 5 plus 3. I hope you all understood. Okay. And 3 is the intersecting part. Okay. Here we have to know one thing. Suppose here 7 plus 3. Here 7 plus 3 and here 5 plus 3. So 3 is coming double. Okay. 3 is coming for A part also and B and for B part also. Okay. But we have to balance. This thing. We have to balance this 3 part, like 3 is coming both. So we have to do one thing. We have to subtract 1 3, then it will be balanced. Okay. To balance this equation, we are subtracting this intersecting part. Okay, we are subtracting this intersecting part, and the value of this intersecting part is which one is a 3. Okay, so this is the intersecting part, and we're subtracting it from the A plus B whole value, and the answer is coming A union B is equal to 15. Okay, so this is how you can solve this type of basic questions through this formula. Okay, so note it down, this formula is very important. Note it down. Okay, guys, note it down, pause the video, note it down, then we will move to the next part. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Done? Okay, let's move to the next part, which is subset of set. Okay, how do we define subset of set? Okay, so guys, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, or if you are just studying for your passion, then the amount I'm studying, the amount how much the amount of how much I'm going to the depth is enough. Okay, so you don't have to do PhD in this topic. You just have to know those things so that you can solve some questions. Okay, so I think the thing I'm studying, the thing I'm learning to you, the thing I'm teaching to you, I think that's enough. Okay, I think that's enough for solving numericals. Okay, so suppose how do we denote subset of set? Suppose A, we have if we want to denote, suppose A is subset of B. Okay, A is subset of B, so then we can denote like this. This denotes subset. Okay, and here is one formula. For subset. Suppose like A subset B. Okay, A minus B union B minus A. Okay, A, this one, and A minus B union B minus A. Okay, like this. Okay. So I think that this much is enough. Okay. Now move to the next part, which is the equality of two sets. Equality of what? Two sets. Equality of two sets. Equality of two sets. Equality of two sets. Okay. Sets A and B. Okay, note it down with me, guys. Note it down with me. Are said to be equal. Are said to be equal if A subset of B. Okay, sets A and B are said to be equal if A is subset of B, which can be written as, okay, A is subset of B and B is also subset of A. Okay, which can be written as A is equal to B. Okay, I hope you guys know A is equal to B. Now okay, note it down. Note it down. Then we will move to the next part. Okay, pause the video. Note it down. Done. Suppose if we want to write this A intersects B union C. And this is, suppose A B union A intersect okay, this can be written as like this. Then go to the next part, which is A union B intersect C. Okay, this also we can written as A union B intersect A union C. Okay, note it down. Note it down. Then we will move to the next part. Okay, done. Okay, the thing I also want to note that A union phi. Okay, what is the meaning of phi? Void means zero. Okay, means zero. Or you can say void. Void means void. Okay, empty. Okay, like nothing. We can write it as A. We can write it as A. Suppose 7. If we just change its sign, like A intersect phi, which can be written as phi, okay, which can be written as phi. Done. Okay. Now suppose we will now study De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, okay? De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, okay? Okay. Here we will suppose A union B whole bar is equal to this bar. Do what? Anyone guess? This bar do what? This bar just opposites the sign, the number, anything, okay? Like change its sign, like if a positive integer or positive number, this bar just change its positivity into negativity, okay? This is how it works. Suppose this is A, we can write it as A bar, okay? Then this bar means its whole bar, okay? A bar, and the sign, this union sign will change into this, okay? And B bar. Okay, what is the meaning of A bar and B bar? A bar means is opposite. Opposite is opposite. Is opposite is A union. B is opposite is B union. Okay, like B bar, A bar. Okay. So this is how we can write. Now here is what is the meaning of this. This we can say the complement. Okay, and this we also say complement. Complement. Okay. Now suppose if somewhere written, okay, I am removing this. Okay, have you guys noted it? Okay, then pause the video, note it down. Okay. Okay. Now suppose here somewhere written like A intersection B C. Okay, C denotes what? C denotes complement. C denotes complement. Okay. Now A complement intersection B complement. Okay, so what is the meaning of complement? Suppose okay, A and B. Okay, complements means here A. Okay, suppose it is A. This part the outside area of A, the outside area of the whole A, okay, is called, suppose like this, okay. So these are all this all part we can call it as A complement, okay. This outer part is also called, we can A complement, okay. A complement means what? The area which A which A doesn't occupy, which A doesn't occupy, okay, which A doesn't occupy, okay. The area which A didn't occupy is called A complement, and the B, the area B, okay, suppose this suppose this area complement of B complement means what? The area except the part of B circle, okay. The area outside the whole area outside the B circle is called what? Is called B complement, okay. A complement means what? The area, the whole area outside the A circle. B complements mean what? The whole area outside the B circle. The whole area outside the B circle, the whole area outside the B circle is called B complement. A complement, the whole area outside the A circle. Outside the A circle, okay? So this is how we can write it. And this intersection denotes, this intersection actually denotes, drawing it again. Suppose here is one circle and here is circle A and this circle B, okay. The intersection of the outer area, okay. B complement means what? B complement means, suppose here is circle A and this outside area we call it A complement, okay. Okay, and B, suppose B, here is circle B, and also its area we can call it as B complement, okay. B complement. And when these two circles outer area means the B complement area, when the A complement area and the B complement area overlap with each other, so that's part we denote with this sign intersection, okay. That's part, the area, the outer area which cover, the outer area which is the outer surface, sorry, what I'm saying, the outer area of the A circle means the A complement, the area of the A complement and the area of the B complement when intersect in some point or in some line, that point or that line we can call it as the intersection, or we denote it as this sign with intersection, okay. I hope you guys understood. Now suppose if I go to the next part, okay, which is Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Okay, have you guys noted it? I hope you guys noted, because I won't tell you every time to note it, note it down, okay. I won't tell you. You have to note it. Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian Cartesian product of sets. Here, suppose A, B, and here is suppose D and E. Okay. Now, the Cartesian products means the crossing multiplication of the element, cross multiplication of the element. Okay. Cartesian products means suppose this is A, suppose this is B. The Cartesian products means the product of their multiplication, these two elements multiplication. Suppose A is one element and B is one element, and their multiplication we call it as Cartesian product. Okay. Now, if we want to find the product, we have to follow this path. Okay. We have to multiply A with E, then we have to multiply A with D. Okay. I hope you guys understood. Now the B's turn. We will multiply B with D, then B with E, and here is a product like A into D, AB, AE, then